What's happening, phone nerds? Ian here again from Mega Mobile USA, of course. And today I want to show you a real quick unboxing of the Realme 7 Pro. Now you can pick this up in my store. I'll leave a link in the description. Real quick, the specs on this guy are a 6.4-inch screen, a Snapdragon 720G processor. It's dual SIM compatible. The main camera is 64 megapixel. The battery is 4,500 milliamp hours, and it comes in 128 gigs with 8 gigs of RAM. You can get this in 6 gig. I offer the 8 gig. And if you buy it from me, which I hope you do, this is exactly what you're going to get. If you'd be so kind as to like the channel, subscribe, drop a comment below. I can always offer you the best price. You can just shoot me an email or drop a comment below. You can see the box here. And it has 65-watt super dark charge as well. And the screen is a Super AMOLED. Comes with Google pre-installed, easy access to your Google apps you use most. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Take the top off. Welcome to the Realme family. Let's see here. Looks like they got just some QC stuff, guides, yada yada. This is not a bad case. It's kind of an off, it's like a smoky color. It'll do. It's nothing too crazy in the protection. I'm not a big fan of those huge OtterBox things anyways, so for me that's kind of a win. I'll take the free case, no big deal. Here is the phone. If I can get it out of here. Let's see if I can scoot it out of here real quick. Yes I can. So the phone does come with a pre-installed screen protector. Got the little hole punch there. Look around here. It does have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, USB-C, and then you got here the 64 megapixel setup, and then it's got this interesting, really defined line. I don't know if you can see it here. It says Realme, and then the color is just a little bit different, and it matches up with the little. It's actually a pretty cool design feature. You know, it's neat. Little insert. We got USB-A to USB-C. There's the SIM eject tool down there. And then I got the international charger for Super Dart. And as always, I include an adapter with every purchase. Slide it on the end of it, plug it into the wall. It's not the coolest looking thing in the world, but it works. And that is the Realme 7 Pro. If you guys have any other questions about it, drop it below in the comments. I'd be happy to answer. And I look forward to your business. It's always a pleasure. Thank you so much.